Okay.
Good
Okay.
morning. Good morning, everyone, and welcome. Thank you for joining us on Fertility Talk again. Today we have Aimee, and Aimee's from Epicentre. So we're going to have a chat to Aimee and hear what is Epicentre about, what is it to do, what that should they do. Welcome, Aimee. Thank you for joining us. We really appreciate you taking the time out to do this talk with us.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm really excited to be chatting to you and just chatting a little bit more about what Epicentre is about and how we can help.
Perfect. So before we get into it, please tell us, what is Epicentre? What is it that you guys do? What is it that you offer?
So, Epicentre is a walk-in lab. What that means is that anyone can just walk in when between our opening hours. So, obviously not in the middle of the night,
Yes.
but between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. you can just walk in. We also take bookings. It's really easy, and just get the test that you need, because a lot of us are on the internet and we know what we want to get. Some of us are also working with doctors. We also accept any lab forms, things like that, and they
Yeah.
can run any of the different lab tests that they feel that they need.
Yeah. Okay. So it's basically like if you're requiring tests when it comes to your fertility, you can get this
Yes.
through them. Okay. So why should someone consider getting fertility testing through Epicentre Walk-in Lab?
So, Epicenter is a health research company, which means that we are an NGO. We are not out here to make millions and millions of rands. We're looking to help people. And we know that fertility can be a bit of a scary process,
Yes.
but it doesn't have to be. Not with Epicenter, and I know with you. We are looking to create a warm, welcoming environment where people can come in and get things sorted.
Okay, awesome. So we've got our next question is, how can Epicentre Walk-in Labs fertility tests save money? So before you answer this is quite a big thing when it comes to fertility treatments. One of the biggest things is, you know, the financial aspects of fertility treatments. Um,
Mhm.
so this is quite big. How can Epicentre help our patients save money?
So, for a long time, how it's worked is you've needed to go through to a doctor. They've told you, given you the test that you need and whatnot. But most of the time, we know what test that we need. And
Yeah.
there is some general sort of packages that you can get that Epicenter provides that covers all of the baselines. So you can come straight through to Epicenter. You can avoid doing a whole bunch of doctor's visits before that and figure out what the problem is early on. So it just sort of cuts right through to what the issue is, and thereafter you can take those results to the doctor,
Okay.
avoiding a lot of visits and paying
Yes,
before you
yes.
figure out what's going on.
Okay, so you guys would actually someone can just come into you guys. You guys would tell them these are the tests that would normally be required. Exactly, cutting out that
Exactly.
almost I don't want to say the middleman, but cutting out all those extra visits and stuff like that.
Yes.
That's perfect. Thank you. And
Just
then
simplifying the process, basically.
yes, yes. And then our next question is, how quickly can clients expect to receive their fertility test results from Epicentre?
So I understand that it's often really important to get those results in a timely manner. So Epicenter has made sure that we provide results very quickly, within a couple days. And if you need to expedite it, it's something that you can speak to us about as well. But within 48 to 72 hours, you will know what's going on.
Okay, perfect. Our next question is, can medical professionals use the test results from Epicenter in lab to assist with diagnosis?
Oh, yes, definitely. It's the same as going to any other walk-in lab in terms of what the results provide. You'll get a
Yes.
baseline, and it's very easy to read, and you'll be
Yeah.
able to take that through to your doctor, and they'll be able to advise you from there.
Okay. And our last question is, what specific fertility tests does Epicenter Lab offer, and how do these tests differ from other available on the market?
So Epicenter provides lab tests. So how I like to sort of explain this, because
Yes.
all of us have done COVID tests, so we're a little
Yes.
bit more familiar with that. So Epicentre is providing the PCR test rather than some of the rapid tests that you do on the market. What
Yes.
this means is that we can get much more accurate and give you ranges. So
Wow.
you can get very, very into what's going on because often we you have a range and it can be the normal range, but you can be on the high side or on the low side. And something like a rapid test wouldn't pick that up. Whereas
Yeah.
you can course correct with these much more accurate and in detail results.
Wow.
And in terms of what tests we provide a huge range of tests. So we have standard packages, but they are fully customizable.
Yeah.
So if you're wanting to add things on, take things off, if you wanted to come in and just get one test and
Yeah.
not get the whole list in the package, that's perfectly fine. We're just keen to
Yeah.
help. So we we can do that.
Okay. And this is for available for men and women.
Yes, yes. We
Okay.
provide sperm testing and a range of other tests for men, and we provide a comprehensive range for women as well. You just have to look on our
Okay.
website and listen.
Okay. So how do they get hold of you guys, or how do they do you have centers everywhere? Yeah, how does that work?
So Epicenter has centers in, we have a center in Hillcrest in KZN, we have a center in Rondebosch in Cape Town, and we have a center in Parkview in Johannesburg. But you
Okay.
can also chat to us on WhatsApp, email, call through. The nice
Wow.
thing about Epicenter is that when you call us or email us, you're going to be talking right to a person from the
Yes.
get-go. You're not going to go
Okay.
through any machines, anything like that.
That's so awesome. Thank you very much for this. I'm glad we got to have this talk, and I can actually see the benefit of going to an epicenter, or at least just getting the test results and being able to take that results from the
Yeah.
get-go, going to your doctor and saying, these are the results I'm dealing, this is the results I've had, and then take it from there. So you know from the start what is going on. So say thank you very much for that, for joining us. How can they contact you?
So you all you have to do is go onto our website. So that's epicenter.org.za, and you will see there is a nice big button, contact us. You'll also see there's like a nice I created the website, so I can brag a little. There is a nice WhatsApp button. You can just click that. It will open your WhatsApp web or WhatsApp on your phone. Just
Yeah.
send us through a message. You'll likely be speaking to Zozo or one of our other really friendly attendants, and they will help you and get you sorted and get you where
Okay.
you need to go.
Okay, perfect. Thank you very much, Aimee. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for taking the time to do this talk with us. We hope to chat to you again soon. Yeah, have a lovely day.
Thank you so much. It was lovely chatting to you, and I hope we can help all your listeners or viewers, whatever they call on the internet nowadays.
Thank you, Aimee. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.